and welcome to Alcohol Ink Techniques for Christmas Cards. Now in this class we're going to go over several different ways to use alcohol inks in your card making, and in the process we're going to make some Christmas cards. Let's go take a look at what we're covering. So these are the 5 cards that we're going to be creating in this class. We're going to use a variety of different stamps and dies, all holiday Christmas themed. The techniques though will work for any stamp or die. We're using some line stamps as well as some solid image stamps, and then different dies that will coordinate with the cards. Use different alcohol ink techniques, but these 3 cards will be created kind of all at once because we're removing ink from one and then adding it to the other and then decorating it. This class also comes with a downloadable supply list PDF that will have pictures of each of the sample cards as well as the supplies used to make each one. And then each of those supplies will be linked to where you can purchase them if you choose. But it's great to have sample pictures with the supplies that are listed for each one of them so that you don't have to make notes or remember while you're taking the class. Now let's go create some Christmas cards.